Now that I see that you're not in here, I'm going to go ahead and add you to HubSpot. Now I've pre-configured link match to not only order the things I find most important, but I've chosen which data points I want parsed. And it takes a minute to go through this information, but it scanned your profile. And now there's some updates that I need to do. When I do these updates in link match, I know you use, yes, you do use a CRM. That CRM is HubSpot. This is reading all of the picks that I chose to put up in my HubSpot instance. You use HubSpot. I'm going to check to see if you're LinkedIn Premium. If you were, you would have a little gold thing right here indicating that. You're not, so I'm not going to check that. I just was in a virtual meeting with you. I looked you up on LinkedIn and now updated my CRM. If you don't have link match, using the email piece is relatively simple. When you get a little more sophisticated with your searching, you could be in your CRM to fill in information. If you want to do it as quickly as you possibly can, using link match to update your CRM is paramount. So now when I go over to my contact, you're in here.